Hello all. Now this video is for students there. If they got some homework from the teacher which they have to do in class notebook, so this video will help them that how to just see and check what homework they get and how to do that homework. So first of all, the teacher will send message on post that okay, he just given some homework there, and he has to give the last time also that till this time all students must submit the homework there. Now suppose we open just the homework we open window of an student login there in Microsoft Team. Now how this student will just reply to the teacher or submit his work, so let's see. So first of all, he will click on the class notebook. Of course, he will just go to the first team, and in the team he will click on the class notebook there. Then he has to just check his homework section. In this homework section, suppose he got work to do in chapter 2 computer language, so he will click on this, and this is the homework he have to do. Now how he will do, you can if you are a student, you can do what, you read the instructions first. So it is there, you can type your answer, insert PDF or insert picture. So I will tell you that how to do all these things in the question. For example, for question 1, there you have to write the answer. So I'm not writing the whole answer there, I'm just doing demo there. So you can just type there you can use the format settings from the above. As we are doing in MS Word, you can just type with the help of MS Word, like functions are there for formatting. You can just type it. Suppose I'm typing the question, and you can see you can just complete the question like this, and when teacher receive, the teacher will check this answer. Okay, now next, suppose answer number 2, you want to insert picture for answer number 2. Okay, so for insert, as we all know, insert menu is here. Click on insert, click on picture. Now two things are there, from the file, from the camera. Okay, so from the file, we all know, if you are having a picture file of your work, suppose you had clicked from the copy or something, you can click on there from file and then click on choose, and suppose this is your homework, you just select your file and click open, click insert, and you're able to insert your picture, your work. Okay, it will take a little time there. Okay, now see, now in answer 2 only you want to insert one more picture, but you want that this work must be from some book or copy, means something that which can be just copied from the book, but you're not able to take the picture of that work. So all the laptops nowadays are having what, they are having their camera there. You can use when you click on insert pictures and from camera, you can just take help of that camera there. You just put your copy there, and in front of that you can put your work. Click on that, take photo, and click on insert. So this is the second method of inserting picture there. And third, you can see here from online, to just click on online and you can visit any website and you can just get the picture from there, from Google or something, and get the picture and you can insert it here also. Then we are having next we are having here PDF. Suppose some of you can create PDF also. So for example, for the next question, that is answer number 3rd. Answer 3. I want to insert a PDF. Now children, you will get 2 options for PDF: insert file, insert as an attachment. See, when you insert as an attachment, this will create problem for teacher. Means he has to download it separately and open it separately, and it may possible if software is not support that, so he's not able to check that attachment. So instead of you are inserting an attachment for PDF, do it what? Insert file printout. Same thing. So click on insert file printout, choose file, and just search for some PDF. If you create some PDF file there, you can just search it. Okay, for example, I'm having a PDF file with me. This one, suppose some syllabus is there, so I just click on open, click on insert, and you will see that it will take little time, 1 or 2 minutes, depend on your file size, and that same thing will appear on the page. Suppose you done the work. Okay, now I can type here, thanks ma'am or sir. Okay, now if you done till here only, your work will submit it to the teacher. Now see children, suppose now time is over and teacher just announced there that he just checked the work and send it in the class notebook. So now how we will see the homework checked by the teacher? Just click on the class notebook again, as you remember that where you will find the homework. So you can see your name is there appearing in that last. Click on the name, click on the place or section where you are searching for the homework. Click on, suppose homework you are searching. Now you can click on your particular homework there. Suppose I want to search this homework. Okay, I want to check it. Okay, the teacher already checked it, and you can see this is how teachers will check the homework or whatever work you done. See children, you can see this message. As you cannot edit now because it already checked and locked. Okay, and if you do something here, because you can see only your account is there, and if you do some mischievous things with this, so you are directly responsible for that particular mischievous problems. Okay, so if teacher checked the work, please don't repeat anything there that will harm you or just not support you or something like that. So this is how you can just check your homework. Your teacher will provide whatever handouts, class notebook, homework, quiz, etc. So they will always inform you in advance that where you will find that particular work or notes or whatever, and you can see that.